Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I've been requested by my little sister to do a clown face makeup tutorial, so that's what I'm gonna be doing today. For this tutorial, I'll be using Cruise Face and Body Painting Palette by You Can Be that I've recently bought off of Amazon. I wanted to look like a cute clown, so I went all over Pinterest and Instagram to find who I can copy from, and I found Chubby Girl Hacks on Instagram. This look is so cute that I wanted to recreate it, so that's how I'll be doing. Let's get started. First step of clown makeup, like most that we see out there, we need to paint our faces white. And I'll be using a wet sponge to spread it all over my face. Before using this palette, I tested it on my arms, and you can see right here that I was a bit surprised by how much it was clear on my face. I was kind of expecting it to be, well, not visible. I don't know why, because on my arm it was very clear that this palette is very pigmented. Then I use NYX's Can't Stop Won't Stop setting powder all over my face. I am not sure if I should have done that last, but I was treating my face paint like regular foundation. Now that my face is all ghostly and weird, it's time to move on to the lips. So I'll be using the color pink to draw over my own lip. I didn't notice during filming, but you guys can see that the white face paint has bundled up under my eyelids. That's annoying. I need to figure out how to fix that. For this entire tutorial, I just could not stop laughing at myself. I mean, that's the whole purpose of clowns, right? To make you laugh. Well, the purpose is working. I'm laughing at myself. Moving on, after laughing at myself, I'm going to be drawing diamond shapes using a light blue over my eyes. Next, I painted over my nose using the same color pink that is on my lips. I'll be drawing heart shapes using the same color pink on my cheeks. I noticed that there were two circle oval eyebrows right next to the diamond shaped eyes, so I drew on that as well. The sort of final touch of this clown look. These next parts are completely optional, you don't have to do it, but I am a girl who rides or dies for eyeliner and eyelashes at the end of any kooky makeup look that I wanted to make. And as you can see here, I Personally, it looks much better with the eyelashes and eyeliner, so I am happy that I did that. As a finisher to this whole look, I use Great Lash by Maybelline New York. Again, I didn't notice while I was filming, but the black mascara smudged under my eyes. Oh well, you can't always have a perfect makeup look. You've made it to the end of the video. Yay! I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I for sure had a lot of fun during filming. Pretty clear with all the dances and random faces I was making. All credits for this face paint look goes to Chubby Girl Hacks on Instagram. And I hope to see you guys in whenever I make another tutorial. Bye!